Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I want you to join me explore the Instagram updates in 2024. So in Instagram 2024 you will find add yours features that you can use. So how do I to use that? First, you need to update your Instagram application, and after you finish updating your Instagram, go visit your story and choose the picture that you use for the best for your story letter. So let's say I would like to use this one, and the way to add yours in a music pic version, you just need to go click this part, and there will be like pop up right here several features. So to do an add yours music pic, you just need to go click this part. And now you just need to add the music that you listened to recently or your favorite musics ever. So after you found them, you just need to go click it. And you can also adjusting the position by drag them into the specific part that you want to place them. And after you're done, just go click add to your stories. And you're done. So that's the way how to use the add yours features in music big versions on Instagram 2024. Thank you for watching, guys, and let's meet again on the next tutorial.